You don't get no service. He just keeps going, so you can't stop him then.
A37.
Right, so it's a bit long.
Never broken down. 4 years.
It's a baby to you.
That's anything on it.
Right, there's
other than oil change, no problem,
today.
no breakdown,
No,
nothing.
just,
Amazing for that age of car.
A few more tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah. Well, it's been a nice
A37.
show today. You know, nice show.
Testament to
up there
British motoring. There we are. That Austin A37, not the A35, A37.
Alright, we move on now to a Ford Model A.
No
pickup.
problems
What
at
a
all.
delightful machine this is. And I've just been talking to the owner. Immaculate restoration. What's the story on this one, sir?
It's an English chassis, and in the course of the restoration, the body was unrestorable really. So it's a Californian cab and tray, 3.5 litres, side valve. And it is a Model B engine rather than a Model A because they were balanced, and it's a much smoother drive than a Model A engine. But essentially they look exactly the same. It's not a working machine anymore, obviously. It's quite good fun to drive.
And did you always want to own one, or was it love at first sight?
Well, I also restored a 1930 Roadster, and I did that because my parents had one when I was a young chap. But I actually love the pickup truck more than I do the Roadster in truth.
Oh, they're great fun pickups. I think that they're so useful vehicles, really.
That's if it's a rare one, yeah, not these
so
Japanese
what about spare
things.
parts? Are they quite common for this?
There's lots and lots of reproduction parts available. But, the experience of doing two cars, you're better off to search and find good second-hand ones than you are to buy the reproduction.
And this has come here today from up on the Cotswolds, virtually.
Yeah, from near Sapperton, near the Daneway pub.
Excellent. Well, I can think of worse places to live.
Great, thank you very much.
Yeah, well, thank you for bringing it to the little vintage.
Not far from
Now,
Gloucestershire.
from one extreme to the other. Vehicle produced in the great Western democracy of America, and then we have something from the Eastern Bloc of communist East Germany, the Trabant. And of course, these
SAAB.
were a familiar sight.
Man used to live here, he
when,
died, and this is
the
gentleman
war
bringing
was
it.
coming down between
He used to
Western
live
East
just next door,
Germany and
apparently. Gentleman
the
died out of this
communist regime was coming to an end.
Well, late last year.
So, when did you acquire this delightful little car?
A couple of months ago, eBay. The guy
Not very
bought it
delightful.
from Hungary for £1.5 with delivery. Great bargain. It's a good little runner, yeah.
And these are two-stroke, aren't they?
Not keen
Not
on
this
East
one.
Germany.
In
or
1990,
West Germany either, really.
they made the
All
1.1
these.
with a Polo engine. They were making the Polo engines for
Too